Electric espresso machine came in, so let's try it out. Charge it. It's rechargeable. And then you take this off. You can put a pod in here. Use that, and then you attach it. You could take that piece out, this whole piece, and then you can use this one. So we put coffee or espresso in here. And then you put this in here, and then you attach it to the machine. Okay, and then add this. So I'm gonna be using this one today. Then you put this cup on, which is basically gonna hold your espresso. This is where you put your water. Max right there on how to fill it up. So I filled it up with water. You put the lid back on for 2 seconds. So the espresso is done. Oh, frothy.